Welcome back my YouTube channel, Old Coin ZEE Collection. Today, we take a closer look at a remarkable piece of American numismatic history, this coin 1912 1-cent wheat penny. This coin is more than just a small piece of copper. It holds a legacy of over a century and is a prized possession in many coin collections across the globe. The 1912 wheat penny is part of the famous Lincoln cent series, first introduced in 1909. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the coin features the iconic image of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, marking the first time a real historical figure appeared on regular U.S. coinage. The Lincoln cent replaced the Indian head cent, and it has since become a classic. The obverse design shows Lincoln facing right, with a motto, "In God We Trust," along the top rim. To the left is the word Liberty, and to the right is the date 1912. Depending on where the coin was minted, you may also find a mint mark just below the date. No mint mark for Philadelphia, D for Denver, and S for San Francisco. Turning to the reverse, we find the two stalks of wheat encircling the words 1 cent and United States of America. Above that is the Latin motto, E pluribus unum. This design gave rise to the coin's common nickname, the wheat penny. The simple yet strong imagery reflects America's agricultural roots and national identity. The 1912 wheat penny was minted at 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. In total, over 82 million pieces were produced across all 3 mints. Philadelphia struck the majority, with more than 68 million coins. Denver and San Francisco struck fewer, making those variants slightly more sought after by collectors. The composition of the 1912 wheat penny is 95% copper, with 5% tin and zinc. It weighs 3.11 grams and has a diameter of 19 millimeters. This classic bronze alloy gives the coin its distinctive reddish-brown tone. Although over time, coins may appear in various shades due to circulation and exposure. What makes this coin truly interesting to collectors is its age, design, and historical context. Minted during the presidency of William Howard Taft, this coin was in circulation during a fascinating period in American history, a time of technological advancement and social change before the outbreak of World War I. That while many of these coins were used in daily commerce, some have survived in uncirculated or well-preserved conditions. These higher-grade specimens are rare and can be quite valuable, especially when they feature a strong strike, original luster, and minimal wear. Now, let's talk about the value. A circulated 1912 wheat penny can typically range in value from $1 to $25, depending on condition and mint mark. However, uncirculated examples, particularly those with full details and red luster, can fetch hundreds to thousands of dollars. In one extraordinary auction, a pristine 1912 Lincoln cent sold for a jaw-dropping $3 million, due to its perfect condition and exceptional rarity in that grade. While such a value is rare, it underscores how a common coin can become a treasure when preserved carefully. One of the key tips for identifying a valuable 1912 wheat penny is to check the mint mark and the coin's condition. Coins from the San Francisco Mint with clear strikes and minimal wear are particularly desirable. Coins with mint errors, such as double dies or off-center strikes, can also command premium prices. If you're lucky enough to find a 1912 wheat penny in your change, or among your old family keepsakes, take a moment to examine it closely. Even a well-worn coin has historical significance and collector appeal. Always handle the coin gently by the edges and avoid cleaning it, as this can reduce its value significantly. Collectors often seek to complete a full set of Lincoln wheat pennies from 1909 to 1958. The 1912 penny, with its early date and classic design, plays a crucial role in that journey. For young collectors and seasoned numismatists alike, it remains a symbol of American heritage and a rewarding find. It's also fascinating to think about how many hands this penny might have passed through in its lifetime. Perhaps a farmer's pocket in the Midwest, a child's piggy bank during the Great Depression, or a soldier's wallet during wartime. Each coin carries a story. Preserving these coins is important not only for their monetary value, but also for their cultural and historical importance. Whether you store them in a protective flip, a coin album, or a sealed holder, keeping your 1912 wheat penny safe ensures that future generations can appreciate its legacy. In recent years, interest in early 20th century coins has surged, with many collectors revisiting classic series like the wheat penny. This growing enthusiasm has helped raise awareness and value for coins like the 1912 cent. As we continue to explore coins from the past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the stories they hold. This coin 1912 United States 1 cent wheat penny coin history.